Hello everyone. Today I would like to speak about an important attitude teachers and students must have to taste the beauty of mathematics. What is that attitude? See, that attitude is questioning. Questioning each and everything in mathematics. Each and everything in maths. This is the most important attitude a teacher as well as student must have in order to taste the flavor of mathematics. Generally, what will happen is we are habituated to follow problem. We are habituated to follow formulas, methods. We don't think much. We just plug in a formula and get the answer, and we feel happy that we got answer. That's how teachers are taught and children are learning. Teachers have also come through this. Teachers have also come from the same educational system, so there are also so many learning gaps or in their understanding. To find out those learning gaps and to get answers for the lack of clarity of concepts, one needs to ask questions. Simple questions. Question each and everything. It may be a simple concept or a big theorem or an elaborate theorem. You need to question. Question at each and every turn. The more you question, the more you find your answers. The more you taste the flavor of mathematics. If you simply follow a formula, maths will become boring, abstract, meaningless, tasteless. But if you question everything, if you don't accept the method, but question why this is working, the way it is working, what is the reason behind it, if you question it, then maths will become much more meaningful, much more tastier. Now, what are the kind of questions I'm suggesting for you to ask? In general, in education system, as teachers we tell our children the following things like, if you want to convert a fraction into percentage, multiply with 100. Most teachers will not give the reason, and most teachers don't even know the reason why we are multiplying with 100 to get percentage, to convert fraction to percentage. They may have a reason which is not complete. For example, they may say percent means 100, so we are multiplying with 100. No, what exactly is happening there? When you multiply a fraction with 100, why are you getting percentage? My age is 27 years. Till last year I don't know the answer for this question. While I was teaching my students, I asked the question, why we are multiplying with 100 means we are getting a percentage. Why we are getting? What is the mechanism involved in that? At that point, I did not get answer. A few days, I found the answer. I searched in Google and I found the answer. I tried, but I could not get myself. So I searched in Google and I found an answer after searching a lot. Why? Because nobody asks these questions. Why we will get percentage when we multiply a fraction with 100? They are simply habituated to multiply. That's all. Now, then another thing. 30 percentage of 800. We are habituated to the following method, and we teach the same method to our students also. We say that whenever you get percentage 2 by 100, half means we say it as into. That's it. You get the answer here. But children, they will not find this meaningful. After some point, they feel boring. Maths क्या है यार? Simply formula, simply एक method को follow करना. We are making a good followers, in mathematics. We are not ourselves. We are not thinking, and we are not using the thinking capacity while doing mathematics. We are good followers in mathematics, and we are producing good followers in our children. We are not producing thinkers. But because we never thought about these things, naturally we prevent our children from thinking too much. We say, follow this method, you will get answer, that's it. It's important that children as well as teachers question everything, think about every little thing. Then there is a chance that everybody can become thinkers, not just followers. The world requires thinkers, not mere followers. Now let's go forward. A, B, and C. See, in fractions, take a small fraction. Now, when 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 we are adding, we say to our children that when denominators are same, when we get like fractions, you simply add the numerator. That's it. But why? And if there are no like fractions, then we tell them to go through the root of LCM. But why? Why? You see, the moment you question why, there is a scope of finding beauty for you. If you don't question, you are sure that you will feel bored. I know many teachers who don't enjoy doing mathematics. They feel bored, It has become a means of earning money, that's all, for teachers. Because they feel bored just following a formula or a method to get an answer. What is the reason? What exactly is happening when we are doing LCM? What do we mean by 2 by 5? What is its real meaning? It is representing something in our real life. What does it mean 2 by 5? What does it mean when 2 by 5 and 3 by 5 when we are adding we get 5 by 5 or 1? You see, everything can be really felt, Now let's go forward. And I don't know the answer for this question, While doing multiplications of fractions, why do we do this thing? Numerator to numerator by denominator to denominator. My teachers haven't told me, and I myself don't know, Till now I don't know. What is the reason? What exactly is happening there? For example, 3 into 25 means I know that we are adding 3 25 times. 4 into 2 means I know that we are adding 4 2 times. 4 divided by 2 means we can subtract 4 2 times here. That is the meaning of divisions. Repeated addition is called multiplication. Repeated subtraction can be called as division. But what exactly is happening here? Why we are doing numerator by denominator? Till today I don't know the answer for this question. Nobody had ever told me. I even Google searched it, but I could not find an answer, Easily I could not find. I have to search deeply. Till now I did not get this answer. Similarly goes for division or fraction. What exactly is happening? Why are we following the method that we are following? What is the reason behind it? Please question it. And to go forward, a power minus n is a 1 by a power n. Why? There is scope for beautiful discussion in the classroom when this concept arises. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. It happens in some schools that they just give this formula and they are asked to apply. How this formula has come about? You see, there is something very organic when we tell the reason as to how we have arrived at this formula. It feels very organic. If we simply throw them on children laws of exponents and ask them to follow those formulas, they find it meaningless, they find it boring. They don't do mathematics for the sake of mathematics. They do it for the joy of getting correct answer, for impressing their classmates, for impressing their teachers to get good marks. They don't do for the sake of doing mathematics. Mathematics will become a means to something else. When the means to something ends, the means will lose its importance. Mathematics will lose its importance. Now, let's move forward. 2 power 0 is 1. Why anything power 0 is 1? There is a scope of beautiful discussion in there. If you will ask why, don't just simply accept anything power 0 is 1. Just a minute. Similarly, coming to algebra, why 2x plus 3x is 5x? What is the reason? And 2x into 3x is 6x square. Why? Why are we doing like this? What exactly is happening here? One more thing in algebra, 2x plus 3y, we cannot do this addition. We say to children that they are unlike terms. But 2x into 3y, we happily tell them that do this one. So many children will get stuck, they feel that they are unlike terms, you have to not even do multiplication. When children come to us with these doubts, we tell them that for multiplication, no need to say like terms and unlike terms. We say simply, without giving further reasons. Why like terms will matter only in addition and subtraction? Why does it not matter while doing multiplication and division? What is the reason? See, at the end I want to say one point. Question every little thing in mathematics. There is a scope of finding beauty. There is a scope of beautiful discussion with your children in classroom. There is a scope of finding joy. Mathematics will feel much more meaningful, much more relatable, much more tangible. Questioning is the main attitude teachers and students should possess. Thank you.